If your Windows system files are corrupted, you can apply some effective methods to repair the corrupted Windows files. Here's a step-by-step guide you can follow. Step 1. Run System File Checker. Here type cmd and open it with Run as Administrator. Now type sfc /scan now and then press enter key. Windows will scan for corrupted system files and attempt to repair them. If it reports that it fixed errors, then you can restart your PC. If SFC doesn't fix all the issues, then you can try step 2. Here you can run DISM tool. Now open CMD and open it with Run as Administrator. Okay, now type DISM /online /cleanup image /check health. Now press enter key. Again type DISM /online /cleanup image /scan health. Now press enter key. And again type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Now press enter key. This process may take a while. By this step, you can check system health, scan system health and repair system health. After completion these steps, you can restart your PC and check. In the step 3, you can check disk for errors. To run this, open CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Here type chkdsk c clone /f/r. Now press enter key. If you see this message, then you can simply type Y and then press enter key. After then, restart your PC and this will fix disk level corruption that might affect Windows files. In step 4, try Windows Startup Repair. And to try this step, you have to go to the advanced options. Simply press and hold Shift key and then click on Restart. And now go to Troubleshoot, Advanced option and then click on Startup Repair. It will diagnose your PC. Now you can shut down your PC and check. If all the previous steps are not working for you, then you can try this step. In this step, you can install a fresh Windows or reset your Windows. To reset your Windows, you can go to Settings, click on Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and here you will see Reset this PC. Here you can keep or remove your personal files, then you can reinstall Windows. If your PC corruption is severe, then you can try this option. By this way, you can fix your Windows corrupted files very easily. If you face any issues, kindly comment below and I'll try to help you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, Please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.